Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's lecture, we are going to understand a very important concept in artificial intelligence. What is generative AI? You may have already heard about tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or AI image generators. But how do these systems actually work, and how are they different from traditional artificial intelligence? In this lecture, we will understand what is generative AI and the difference between traditional AI and modern AI. We will also look at how machine learning changed artificial intelligence and how generative models create new content. Let's begin. The term generative AI consists of two words: generative and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means machines that can perform tasks which normally require human intelligence. But generative AI goes one step further. It refers to AI systems that can create new content. These systems can generate text, images, and code. They can also create music, videos, art, and even entire conversations. For example, when you ask ChatGPT a question, the answer is not copied from a stored file. Instead, the AI generates new text based on your prompt and context. That is why it is called generative AI. Let us look at a few examples. If you type a prompt like, "Write a story about a robot exploring Mars," ChatGPT will generate a completely new story. If you ask an AI image generator, "Create an image of a cat sitting on the moon," the AI will generate a completely new image. Similarly, AI can also generate computer code. If you ask, "Write a Python program to sort numbers," the AI will generate working code for you. So generative AI systems create new content that never existed before. To understand generative AI better, we must first understand the history of AI, which officially introduced the concept in 1956. Early AI systems were called traditional AI. These were rule-based systems. This means humans manually wrote rules for the machine. These rules were hard-coded by programmers. But this approach had a big limitation. If a new situation appeared that was not defined in the rules, the system failed. Because it was not programmed for that case, traditional AI systems could not learn from data. In the 1990s, a major change happened. Researchers introduced the concept of machine learning. Instead of writing rules manually, machines could now learn patterns from data. This created the era of modern AI. Machines are trained on large datasets. They recognize patterns and improve with experience, just like humans learn. Modern AI powers many systems we use every day, like recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube. It also powers fraud detection, voice assistants like Siri, and even self-driving cars. Modern AI systems work in 3 stages. The first stage is training, using a very large dataset. Second stage, learning. Algorithms analyze the data and neural networks adjust millions of parameters. Third stage, prediction. The model uses learned patterns to make predictions, like identifying disease in medical images. Generative AI is a subset of deep learning. Unlike earlier systems, it focuses on creation rather than just prediction. Key requirements include massive data, huge computational power, and the ability to understand context. In summary, AI has evolved from rule-based systems to creative generative models. Thank you for watching.